guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is about what I eat in a day. So for all you slimming well people, I'll be keeping a track of the sins of everything that I eat on the screen here as we go along. So let's go back in time to this morning. So the first meal of the day is normally brunch because it is Saturday today, and as we're doing what I eat in a day, we normally have this around about 10:30, but unfortunately I worked 13 hours yesterday, was it? Oh yeah, 13 hours yesterday, so it is actually 11:40 right now, so Sam's going to go and make the breakfast. So I'll show you what we have. So this is my breakfast in bed, and we're having, and I'll give you all the sin values as well. We're having spaghetti, which is obviously free. You've got to sin your ketchup. I would say that I'd count that as one. The hash browns are like 2 each. I'll put this on the screen as well. We've got mushrooms mixed with tomatoes, which were done in fry light oil, which is completely free. And then we've got the Linda McCartney red onion sausages, which are free as well. We've got some 50/50 toast. I think there is it through. Oh, you can use that as your healthy option B with a little bit of butter, which you can use from your, I think you can use it from your healthy option A. But anyway, yeah, because I won't be having my A and B after this as well. I've also got a nice cup of coffee, which has coconut milk in it as well, because obviously I don't have cow's milk, so that's for breakfast too. Yeah, and I'm going to devour this right now. Ta-da! That was absolutely delicious. Right, so need to get ready. Got a few things to do. Go to the shops, got to sort out something for tea. So yeah, so let's get ready. So I'm ready. Right, so I've just been checking the app because me and Sam are having a movie night tonight. So I want some popcorn, so I've been having a look on the app. If I get the bigger bag of the Metcalfs, that's 5.5 sins. So obviously I've had 5 sins already today. So 2 hash browns and the ketchup is 5 sins. Right, so the 50/50 medium-sized loaf was 4 sins. So I'm just going to class that as my healthy option B. It did have a little bit of spread on there. That was dairy-free spread called Pure. So that was 1 sin. But I'm going to add that to my healthy option A because I'm not really having an healthy option A. I had a little bit of cocoa milk in my coffee. Obviously you're allowed about 250 mils. So if I count the little bit of butter as my healthy option A and the little bit of milk, and that means I can have a couple more coffees today if I want to. I might have one in a little bit anyway with maybe I'll have a little treat as well. But yeah, so I'm going to make dinner tonight's going to be completely sin free. I'll show you later, and because we're going to have chili and rice. So yeah, so I'm going to go to the shop and I'll catch up with you in a little bit. So this is my afternoon snack. I'm just having a 0 sugar Coca-Cola and a nice little free tangerine here. I'm not massively starving because obviously that big breakfast this morning seems to last me more or less all day. So I'm just going to have this. I want to make sure I get some speed food in, so it's always good to have a little bit of fruit. Right, so we'll just go through everything I got. I obviously got some popcorn. They didn't have the skinny popcorn, so I got the Tyrells, and I checked the app beforehand, and these ones are 6 sins. So obviously I'm only allowed that 1 bag tonight. I did get a bag for Sam as well. We got some of the half fat cheese, and that's just to go in the salads or in a jacket potato as part of, you can use it as part of your healthy option B, but you must remember to weigh that out. Obviously I've got some nice green beans that we're going to eat for dinner at some point, maybe Monday or maybe tomorrow. These were on sale. Don't forget, these were from the Co-op, and they were £1 a box. And I know you can replace these as your healthy option B, or they're 3 sins each, you know, as an alternative to the high fibre. So I got 3 boxes. Obviously we're going away next week, so we're going to take a few goodies with us. So yeah, these are going to, packet of these are going to come with me. We've got some bit of baby jam, some peppers, cucumber, a bulb, yeah, you don't want to know that. 4 bottles of cocoa, which is my favourite alternative like milk substitute. I have it in my coffee, I have it in my porridge. There's the porridge that I have, just the packet porridge in the sachets, generally with 200 or to 250 mils of cocoa. So yeah, so I got quite a few, and they're quite good, they're long lasting as well. So yeah, I got some veg there for Sam, he quite likes those. Did get a couple of bags of Maltesers. No, I won't be able to eat these in a whole sitting, but what I can do is I have to work out the sins, because these are a 93 gram bag. So obviously what I'll need to do is I'll have to section it out and work out how many sins. I'll probably have to split it into about maybe 4 or 5 portions. Yes, they're for Sam. Nice chocolate lucky thing, gets to eat those. And I picked up a couple of bunches of daffodils as well, because obviously they look really pretty. They're not even open yet, so I'm going to get them in water straight away. Last but not least, so that I don't forget, is the Hellmann's fat-free vinaigrette, which is obviously free on Slimming World. So that's quite good if you just want a little bit of sort of wetness to your salad instead of it being just a dry salad. Right, so I'm going to be cracking on with tea now. We're having corn, chili and rice. So obviously the rice is free, the corn chili is completely free, and there's nothing in that. So obviously the rest of my sins tonight will be going on the bag of popcorn, which I believe I've got 10 sins, haven't I really? I've got 10 sins left, so 6 for the popcorn, and then I've been eating my way through, it was the tiniest bag as well, but I only have 2 little bits every time, the curly whirly little bag, resealable bag, but it is only a small bag, and I have 2 little bits every time, and I class that as a couple of sins. So yeah, so I might have a couple of that bit of chocolate as well, and then I'm okay, I'm well within my sins today. So yeah, I'm going to make tea now, and I'll show it you when I finish. I'll also leave a link below to the recipe. It's from the Slimming World book. Okay, just wanted to show you this. We're having some rice. This is obviously sin free. I'm going to pop it in my rice cooker. This is an absolute staple. Literally could not live without my rice cooker. I love it so much, and I've had it for so long. Honestly, it must be about 6-7 years old, and it's still going good. I mean, to be honest, it's lost a little bit of the coating on the bottom when you've scrubbed it, but apart from that, it's absolutely fine. You know, and it was only about £12 when I got it 6-7 years ago. So yeah, if you want one, I would get one, and you don't have to watch it. It's not like doing it on the stove with like water and everything. So yeah, rice cooker is a must. So the recipe I'm going to be making is this one. It's the chili con carne, but obviously we're using corn instead. So yeah, there's a few ingredients here, not loads, just a few spices. I'll put the recipe in the descriptions if you want to make it for yourself. So there's our chili already now. I have put on there only 30 grams of low-fat cheese, because I'm going to count that as part of my healthy option A. Yeah, and I can still have my popcorn later as well, and maybe a couple of pieces of curly whirly when we watch the movie. So I'm going to enjoy this now, and I'm going to leave the video here. I hope you enjoyed my what I eat in a day. I'll do one again in probably a couple of months. And anyway, so if you want to give me a big thumbs up, that'd be brilliant. And if you want to subscribe, you can do in the link below. Thanks guys, and I'll see you again for the next video. Bye.